Looking for the best miter saw to upgrade your woodworking projects? Whether you're a do-it-yourself enthusiast, a professional carpenter, or someone who loves building things at home, choosing the right miter saw can make all the difference. A high-quality miter saw delivers precise crosscuts, clean angled cuts, and smooth bevel cuts, making it one of the most essential tools for woodworking, trim work, and construction projects. The best models offer powerful motors, excellent cutting capacity, and reliable accuracy for both beginners and professionals. In today's video, we've rounded up the best miter saws available on the market, comparing their performance, features, durability, and value for money to help you find the perfect one for your workshop. Be sure to watch until the end because we'll reveal our top picks, and you'll find all the product links in the description below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and Amazon must-have recommendations. Number 1. DeWalt 12-inch miter saw. The DeWalt 12-inch miter saw combines a powerful 15-amp motor with a host of features to make cutting jobs easier and faster. The stainless steel design makes precise, smooth cuts with the 12-inch double bevel sliding design. The high-capacity cutting machine accommodates crown molding and base molding with equal ease. The DeWalt also earns praise for its smooth and quiet operation, especially among those who have used other miter saws in the past. Features such as the XPS crosscut positioning system enable you to perform accurate cuts without having to adjust the saw repeatedly, so even the most complex tasks can be done with ease. That's why this is the best overall miter saw on this list. Number 2. Makita Compound Miter Saw. The Makita 103 miter saw is an exceptional tool for any precision cutting project. It offers a powerful 15-amp direct drive motor with 4,600 RPMs, ensuring smooth and accurate cuts. A miter cut of up to 45 degrees left and 52 degrees right, with 9 positive miter stops at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, left and right, and 90 degrees are available. The saw also features a bevel cut of up to 45 degrees left. Built sturdily with a machined aluminum base and dual aluminum base slide rails, plus a carbide tip blade, the Makita LS1040-103 compound miter saw is designed for extended longevity. It comes with features such as a vertical vise, blade, wrench, and triangular rule for added user convenience. The combination of power and accuracy makes this product an ideal choice for hobbyists as well as professional contractors. Coming with a 1-year warranty, consumers can rest assured they will have a dependable product in their arsenal of tools. For all precision cutting projects, this miter saw is an excellent choice. Number 3. Genesis 10-inch compound miter saw. This 10-inch compound miter saw from Genesis comes in many different styles to fit all your woodworking needs. The 9 positive miter stops are great for cutting at commonly used angles. It can make bevel cuts up to 45 degrees left and perform compound miter cuts with ease. The compound cutting mode works best on crown molding, shadow boxes, picture frames, and much more. There's an electric brake to stop the blade in seconds for the ultimate safety feature. The arbor lock allows for quick blade changes on different materials. The laser guide is super helpful as well to see where you're going to cut next. It just takes 2 AAA batteries and you're set. You can check out this miter saw by itself, or get the one with a clamp, sawhorses, table, or stand. The possibilities with this saw are endless. Number 4. Metabo HPT 10-inch miter saw. The Metabo HPT 10-inch miter saw is a lightweight yet powerful compound miter saw. Its 15-amp motor is capable of 5,000 RPM no-load performance, making it more than capable of most crosscut and miter cut tasks. This saw is equipped with a specially designed vise clamping system that keeps workpieces securely in place. This helps ensure safer and more efficient operation, with much less safety risk. A horizontal handle enhances secure fittings even further, and a dust collector attachment is included that reduces dust particles in the air. With its 0 to 45-degree bevel range, it is an excellent choice for woodworkers that require utmost consistency and precision. It even has thumb-actuated positive stops that enable you to adjust miters quickly. Number 5. Skil 10-inch miter saw. This 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw from Skil is the most durable miter saw you'll find on the market. The high-speed steel design can cut through anything from wood to stainless steel surfaces without any hesitation. The powerful 15-amp motor delivers 4,800 RPM for detailed, quick cuts. With the dual bevel, you can cut in 4 positive stop positions to get just the right angle on your surfaces. The 2x12 cutting capacity cross cuts lumber up to 2x12 at 90 degrees. It also cuts at common angles to get the most out of your miter saw. Not to mention the LED shadow lights show you exactly where to cut. Cut tough surfaces safely and efficiently with the Skil 10-inch miter saw.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.